60% of your engine's wear and tear happens in the first 30 seconds after you turn the key. 60%. Not on the highway, not pulling that boat up to the lake, right there in your driveway, before you've even had your coffee. I'm Joe. I've been turning wrenches for 50 years in this two-bay garage behind me, and I'm going to tell you something the dealership will never say out loud. Most engines don't die from old age. They die from 11 little habits drivers do every single morning without thinking twice. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your engine last to 500,000 miles. Let's get into it. Mistake number 11, stomping the gas right after startup. I see it all the time. Folks love that engine roar. They fire it up, give it a couple revs, feel like a NASCAR driver. Here's the problem. When you first start that engine, the oil is sitting down in the pan. It hasn't reached the top of the motor yet. Your pistons, your valves, your bearings, they're all grinding against each other with almost no lubrication. You stomp that gas, you're sandpapering the inside of your engine. Let it idle for about 30 seconds, especially when it's cold out. That's it. Just 30 seconds and you save yourself a $4,000 rebuild down the road. Mistake number 10, ignoring the warning lights on startup. You know those little symbols that flash up on your dash when you turn the key? Most folks look right past them. Big mistake. Those lights aren't decoration. That's your car running a system check, telling you everything is okay before you drive off. If your oil pressure light stays on, or your battery light flickers funny, that's your engine yelling for help in the only language it speaks. Take 3 seconds. Look at the dash. That habit alone has saved my customers thousands. Mistake number 9, cranking the engine with everything turned on. Headlights, AC blasting, radio cranked up, heated seats. You turn that key and your starter is already pulling a massive load off the battery. Now you've got all this extra electrical junk fighting for power at the same time. That kills your battery early and burns out your alternator. Before you start the car, kill the accessories, then fire it up. Simple as that. Mistake number 8, holding the key in the start position too long. We've all done it. Engine doesn't catch on the first try, so you hold that key over like you're squeezing the last drop out of a ketchup bottle. Don't. When you hold it too long, that starter motor keeps grinding against the flywheel. You're chewing up gear teeth and shaking the motor mounts. Turn the key just until it catches, then let go. For you push-button folks, one tap. Don't lean on it. The computer's got it handled. Mistake number 7, pumping the gas pedal while starting. Now this one's for the old-timers like me. Back in the carburetor days, yeah, you pump that pedal to prime the engine. But your modern car? It's got fuel injection, a computer, sensors smarter than half the guys I went to high school with. You pump that pedal, you're dumping raw gasoline into the cylinders, and that washes the oil right off the cylinder walls. No oil, no protection, and now your engine starts dry. Hands off the pedal, just turn the key. Mistake number 6, short trips, every single day. If your daily routine is starting the car, driving 5 minutes to the gas station, 5 minutes back, then later 5 minutes to the grocery store, you are quietly killing your engine. Your motor never gets up to operating temperature. That means moisture and unburned fuel just sit there in your oil and your exhaust, eating everything from the inside out. Once a week, take that car on a real 20 or 30-minute drive. Let it breathe. Let it get hot. It'll thank you with another 100,000 miles. Mistake number 5, cranking it over and over when it won't start. Car won't fire up. So what do most folks do? Turn the key, turn the key, turn the key, like it's gonna feel sorry for you eventually. Every time you crank it and it doesn't catch, you're washing oil off the cylinders, fouling your spark plugs, and draining the battery. Old mechanic rule, and I live by this one. If it doesn't start in 3 tries, you're not fixing it, you're breaking it. Stop. Wait a minute, then try again. Or pop the hood and find out what's actually wrong. Mistake number 4, starting with the wheel cranked to one side. This one almost nobody talks about. You park, you cut the wheel hard, you walk away. Next morning you fire it up with that wheel still cranked all the way over. What happens? Your power steering pump goes from 0 to maximum pressure the second the engine starts. That's a brutal load on a cold motor. Get in the habit of straightening that wheel before you shut off, or at least before you start up. Pre-fix. saves the pump, saves the belts. Hey, we're at the 3-minute mark. If you made it this far, drop a like and put a 3 in the comments. I want to see who's actually riding with me on this one. Mistake number 3, starting with old or wrong weight oil. Here's a dirty secret. Old oil doesn't just lose its color, it loses its body. The whole reason oil works is because it sticks to metal and forms a protective film. Old, sludged up oil can't do that anymore. Every cold start, your engine is grinding against itself. And don't get me started on folks who put the wrong weight oil in. Your owner's manual tells you exactly what to use. 5W30 means 5W30, not whatever was on sale at the parts store. Change your oil on time, use the right grade, and your engine will outlive your car loan twice over. Mistake number 2, starting a manual transmission in gear. For my stick shift drivers out there, and I love you folks, this one's a heart stopper. You hop in, foot off the clutch, car's in gear, you turn the key. Now the car lurches forward, the starter is fighting the transmission, and the clutch is begging for mercy. Always, always check that you're in neutral or that the clutch is pressed all the way down. One bad habit can cost you a clutch job, and that's $2,000 at the dealer, easy. And now, hold on, we're about to get to the biggest one. The mistake that destroys more engines than every single one of these other 10 combined. Before I tell you, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss stuff like this. Clicked it? Good. Drop a like and run down to the comments, because what I'm about to tell you, most mechanics won't even bring up. Ready? Lean in. Mistake number 1, starting your car with a weak battery. I know what you're thinking. Joe, that's an electrical problem, not an engine problem. Wrong. When your battery is weak, your starter cranks the engine slow. That slow crank means incomplete combustion. Raw fuel washes down the cylinder walls. Spark plugs get fouled. Carbon builds up in places it should never be. And your starter motor is pulling double duty trying to make it happen. You think you've just got a slow start. What you've actually got is a slow-motion engine murder. Every single morning. If your car is cranking lazy, if the lights dim when you turn the key, don't wait. Get that battery tested. Most parts stores do it for free. A $150 battery saves you a $6,000 engine. That's not a deal. That's a miracle. So there you have it. 11 habits. Most people aren't blowing up their engine with one big disaster. They're killing it 30 seconds at a time, every single morning, for years. Break those habits, give your engine a fair shake in those first few seconds, and you'll add years to its life and keep thousands in your pocket where it belongs. That's it for today. If this helped you out, hit subscribe. Drop the next topic you want me to cover in the comments. See you next time.